What's up, About Penguins? Today we're going to be doing topic 1.1, which is on the structure of water and on hydrogen bonding. So what's a hydrogen bond? A hydrogen bond is going to be a hydrogen bonded to an electronegative atom that is attracted to an electronegative atom. So let's look at water just so we can get a better understanding of what that is. So here we see water. Okay, so if you notice, there's that dotted line right there. That's your hydrogen bond. So here, right here, we have the hydrogen that's bonded to the oxygen. So the hydrogen bonded to an electronegative atom, and it's going to be attracted to another electronegative atom. So like oxygen and nitrogen would be the common examples that we're going to see with this. That will be that electronegative atom that creates that hydrogen bond. Now, I want you to make sure you know something. Hydrogen bonds are attractive bonds. They're not sharing electrons. It's just due to one of them being partially positive and one of them being partially negative. So hydrogen bonds are also going to be found in some of our other macromolecules, like in DNA. So if you look here, you see that our nitrogenous bases, so there's guanine and there's cytosine, they're going to be bonded by 3 different hydrogen bonds. The way I remember this is that cytosine starts with a C, which is the 3rd letter in the alphabet. And it is important to know that there's 3 hydrogen bonds there. So you'll notice that there's hydrogen bonds that will attach your nitrogenous bases to each other. And so that's what makes that double helix, is that you have a polynucleotide strand that's attracted to the other polynucleotide strand, and they're held together by those hydrogen bonds. You also see that adenine and thymine also have hydrogen bonds. There's 2 hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine in DNA. So proteins also have hydrogen bonds. So the secondary structure of a protein, either the alpha helix or the beta pleated sheet, is formed due to those hydrogen bonds occurring within the backbone. So the carboxyl group has that oxygen on it, and that oxygen is going to be attracted to a hydrogen of an amino group that's downstream. And so that can allow us to make the beta pleated sheet or the alpha helix. So let's talk about water for a second. So water has a ton of these hydrogen bonds. So every water molecule has 4 different hydrogen bonds that it attaches to. And so there's a lot of different properties that come from this. So first thing is cohesion and adhesion. So water can be hydrogen bonded to other water molecules. So water attracts to other water. Or we have adhesion, where water is attracted to another polar substance. So cohesion and adhesion together lead us into that capillary action that allows water to move from the roots up to the leaves. We also have that water has a high specific heat. That means that it can take a lot of heat energy before it changes its temperature. This is why coastal regions are so cool, is because they have all that water to absorb that heat. Also, water is going to expand upon freezing, which allows it to be less dense, which can protect a lot of the life forms that we see in these like lake environments. So if this was helpful, be sure to follow along. And remember, AB Biopenguins is just success. Have a good day, y'all.